What is going on, everybody? It's over 50 today, so I decided we're taking the Shadow back out for another ride and see what is going on here, because I don't know, it has a stage 3 jet kit in it, which should make it faster. But I did look up, it only has about 40 horsepower on a V-twin, so it's not built for speed. It's built for smooth and a nice rumble. So, I don't know, the tires are holding air even though they're all cracked up. Now, I did figure out, and I should have known, I don't usually have bikes with spokes, that there should be a tube in there holding the air. Holding air just fine. It's just cracky tires. A little weird, and I'm sure if I sell it, somebody's going to look at that and say it needs tires. I mean, the tread's what matters now, because the tire itself is not holding air. So, we're just going to take it for a cruise here, and I want to judge it on itself and not versus my Magnas that are V4s, built for everything, built for torque, like this guy. I mean, you could just look at that bike and then look at this bike, and it's twice the engine. It has twice the horsepower. So I just filled it with gas. Oh, where did I put? There we go. I just filled it up with gas and it's not leaking. So, new petcock and everything, and now I have enough gas in here to see it. So I know we have plenty to run. I was a little nervous last time, in case we didn't have enough gas to get around. But we're going to take this out. I just turned the key on, and she seems to fire up right away every time. As I said before, stage 3 jet kit. And no baffles. Somebody took them out, which gives her a great sound, but it might keep her from the performance that I need. It does have a K&N air filter. Because I got it without the baffles, I thought, well, since we have no baffles, I guess we should put in a K&N, which I know doesn't really help a lot. They claim it does, but I don't know that it does. And then in the end, I put in the stage 3 jet kit. But I want to go see. I don't want to judge this thing. Oh my gosh. I don't want to judge this thing like I did, harshly. I don't remember how to ride a bike. I want to judge it on, other guys are saying these things have plenty of power. Great starter bike, especially if it doesn't have all the power. You'll never hurt yourself. Well, I shouldn't say that. It'll be harder to kill yourself. She sounds good, and she really doesn't give it. It doesn't falter. It just doesn't seem as fast as it should be. I don't know. I feel like it just should be faster. So I'm going to take it out because it didn't falter me last time. Let's go see what she'll do today. Everything on her is working quite well. Still do have this weird neutral light that goes out when you let out the clutch. So I have to figure that out. But very low seat height. I'm only 5'5", and I can reach the ground for days. Let's see what she'll do. I mean, if other guys say this has power, let's just take it for what it is and believe them. 4 speeds, tap out pretty quick. Now I'm gonna say, let's see if she'll get up to, she's at 55. Now the question is there something I can do to tune this better? 4th gear is kind of an overdrive. There's not a lot of grunt there. Like, I'm in 4th gear. This is kind of the cruising gear, which I guess 2 and 3 are longer. Maybe 1 is longer, and I should stay there. Let's see how she get up. 3, I don't got a lot. It's not kicking me back. Now, I thought my Ninja was slow, my 500 Ninja, EX500, and I don't know. It wasn't slow, it was light, just like this bike. This is a pretty light bike, it's a 600. But, you know, I would get on the Ninja, and that had 60 horsepower, so 20 more than this one. So maybe I just need to learn how to ride this bike. Keep it in the lower gears for the giddy up. But I want to get it out to a road I can open it up a little bit, because at this point, if this is what she gives me, I don't know that I'd be taking it on the highway very often. Like, I'm not scared that it's going to shut off. It feels like it's running right. It's just not giving me what I thought I might have, what I'm used to. I mean, the V4s, you can get out on the bike and be in just about any good gear and take off in any gear. Like right now I'm getting it. This is kind of good. This is the second ride, so I'm going a little farther. Again, sounds amazing, and I'm cool with that. Like, I'm not getting any hesitation. I'm not getting any dead spot, which is good. That's usually what happens when someone removes the baffles. You get a dead spot. But I also don't have an RPM gauge, so I can't gauge that. We'll go down in second gear and see how she takes off. Because I've been watching YouTube videos to try and figure out if I have a problem or if this is just the way the bike is. And a lot of people say these bikes are good, they're great. Maybe I'm just used to something different. Let's see, we're in second now. Let's see how long this gear is. Maybe I just have to, like, I can fully open it up in first gear, second gear, and we're up to 45 where I'd probably shift because she's loud, yelling at me. I think we'll take a spin around, see if I can get her up to 65. Wait, are we in? No, there we're in third. Is that third? No. Okay, I guess I was in third gear. Man, it's hard to tell because I don't have a gear indicator. Just hard to tell. Tires, this bike's been sitting around not moving for a long time, so I trust there's some flatter spots on the tires that would be nice to work out. There's third gear, I think. I mean, if I just ride her out, she's not popping or spitting. But I really thought an extra stage 3 jet kit in the carburetor would do something. It does have 2 carburetors. I think I set everything up correctly. It'll take a little bit longer here. I want to open her up once I get to a road that I can. Like, yeah, I'm not concerned. When I click down... Whoa, what's she doing now? Feels like she's sputtering now. That could be a problem, or it could be she's waking up. Maybe I'm missing something here. She seems to have a little bit more git. I don't know what to do. Should I go farther? Was that a good thing or a bad thing? I feel like just working through it might be a good idea. Let's see. Do I have an idle? We should be in first gear now. Yep, we're in first gear. Okay. We have an idle. That's good. Yeah, let's open her up. See if she gives me. Maybe we'll sputter and be great. Second gear. Second gear takes us to 55. There's a pop. I'm holding it wide open right now in third, going about 55, and now we gotta slow down. This road up here, I should be able to take it. See what we get out of her. I'll downshift to second. Maybe first, we'll see what feels good. Like I said, this bike sat for the longest time, a couple years before I got it, and then I've had it for 2 years messing with it, electrical and everything. All right, let's go to first. That feels weak. I feel like I should get more. Maybe something is not cooking. Yeah, she should be giving me more, I think. I was hoping that it was just into my imagination. But we're not going anywhere right now. Third gear. Should be doing better than that, I think. Wide open. Maybe I should pop back the old jets. See what she'll give us here. Let me know if she sounds good to you guys. I think she sounds good, but I feel like we're just missing that definitely top end. Maybe different jets, maybe, I don't know. I got them from Sigma. I think they're a trustworthy company. I don't like messing with stuff. I like for it to be designed the way it's supposed to be, but I figured there's a good opportunity to try on a 600 Shadow. If you're just gonna putz around, you're probably fine. You don't need that upper end. A city bike, this might be good, but I want a little more jump. I want to see this thing move from the line. I feel like it could do better. That's all. Let's see here. As long as we're not shutting down when we come to a stop, I'm happy. All right. First gear. Wide open. I feel like any vehicle should do better than that. I think we're going to need to put jets. Try again. Remember running off the road there on the Ninja? Yeah, we've done that. Alright, all in all, she's a comfortable, fun ride. It's just time to find some more grunt. I keep saying the same things. Third gear, 55. Fourth gear. Well, now we're up to 65. Hey, we might have something here. It's possible. Well, oh, I was in third gear. popping. We're popping. What's it telling me? It's telling me something. It wants to do better. Yeah. Something's coming alive. There we go. Now she's moving. Now we're moving. Okay. We're opening up something in there. Man, I took these carbs apart and cleaned them a long time ago. Back when I put those suckers in. But I wonder if something wasn't quite right. Did you see that? She was starting to drive. Okay. First gear now? Did we do better? Oh! Oh, she's awake! She's awake, guys! 600 shadow! She's awake. I'm doing 65 in like second? I don't know, I can't keep track of these gears yet. She's waking up. Something has been awoken in this girl. Whoa! Alright guys, this is a good ride. I think we found something. Woo! There it is. Okay, something was faltering. I think we found it. Something's popping through. Alright guys, I am happy with that ride. We're finding it. There we go. Give it the old tune-up. It's working. Alright guys, this is a successful ride. We're gonna go put her down for the day, and hopefully next ride she's not playing around with us. It might be fuel delivery. Something I need to address. Okay. Thank heaven for... Okay. She feels different and happy. I'll see you guys on the next one.